Good morning. All right. January 3rd, 2025. I don't know how excited about today I am. Good morning, Coper. Just because it doesn't, it looks like a chop fest. But we'll see how the day progresses. All right. Here's where we is. Michael, good morning. Good morning. Oh, I forgot my phone. I'm going to have to get it in a minute. Anyway, here's the hour chart, and we are currently above CPR. We were kind of hanging out in it most of the night. So we have the bear zone up here, and oh, sorry, that's a yes. I was playing around earlier today and this morning, forgot to change over. There we go. Oh, okay. I don't know if I like these London highs and lows here, but they're there. At any rate, we're same thing. We're above CPR. We have the bear zone from 21,321.75 to 21,391. So about 70 points, roughly. Maybe that's what I'll do is I'll put a little bracket underneath that says how many points that is. So while we're here, I'm going to have to, while we're above CPR, I'm going to have to be a little bullish. We're already up 100 points, so but that really doesn't mean much. And we have Bears last stand up here. We also have this oh yeah, they're moving up now. This EMA 120, so it's like a 54 day or 50 day or 60 day or something. But actually that was yesterday's, so I can get rid of that, I think. And yep, so my guess is we'll come up and we'll challenge this. For sure challenge that EMA and probably Bears last stand. If we can get up there. I need to find out where, okay, so here's VWAP. If we open up near VWAP, it might just be a choppy, sloppy day for a while. So, I don't know. I'm not expecting a lot. We're coming up to London highs now. See if we bust up through there. Maybe take it out and open. I don't know. So, my guess is we're somewhat bullish, right? That's the way the markets are stacking up. I mean, you really have this little zone right here based on the London Open. Look at that for pretty much all night. So you got a nice little zone. You can get a little breakout. Maybe this is a false breakout. Maybe we come up here and reject at 322 and then come back down if that's the way we're heading. Elliott waivers think we need to come down to a C, which is farther down. So if that's the case, you know, they usually like to make reversals on Friday and Monday. So if we don't reverse today, then maybe it's Monday we get maybe a big move down and then a rebound. Don't know. Kind of just what I'm thinking. Morning, Jason. So as of now, I have to play it to the upward mode until that changes. But here's a nice little play here. You can, you know, if we start to reject here, you can maybe take it down and play it down, or it'll be a breakout and we'll see how far she goes. I got a new little setup here where it puts my valuations. I'm still working on it. Like the Take Profit Pro is supposed to be 01, not that number. So I'll have to do make some changes here. But anyway, it's getting there. Getting there. I got, I'll also be, let me see, where's where's that at? I got another piece that I'm updating. And I won't show it, but there, I mean, there it is right there. So I'll do a year to date, but I have to wait till I get things a little set up here. All right. Anyway, getting there. Slowly but surely building it out. All right, so there's the 15 minutes. See if we do a breakout above this consolidation area, which is what it looks like. Right, you got this big area right here on the 15 minute. Yeah, I would go like in here, but this is just a big sloppy area. It's actually probably bigger than that. So see if we break out. Looks like they're struggling to. I like it like that. 5 minutes, same thing, just a little more detail. Again, not telling me a whole lot. See if we reject. We kind of took out the London's high there, right? Looking for some liquidity. Maybe they do it at open. You're getting a little reject now on the 1 minute. Here's the 2 minute. I'll be playing the pre-market 2 minute open once again. I'll be playing micros because I'm just worried about a little chop fest. I am playing around with just watching this. And so probably here. And that. Anyway, just playing around with this cross of the 34 EMA against the 1 minute weighted. Just see how it plays out. Probably more towards the cash session. Get rid of some of these boxes and stuff. It's interesting to me. So there's your little 2 minute reject off 288. Oh, but the 5 minutes going to push on up through there. Okay. So there I am. Don't really care much about anything. That's why I love futures. It doesn't matter till they open. So basically we're above CPR. We're moving pretty bullishly up on the 15 minute. So my guess is there, maybe we get something like this. You know, if they want to bring it up higher. If not, then my guess is they'll just keep on coming down. Let's go to there. That would be my guess. The bull and the bear. Makes sense? I think it makes sense. You know, if you look at, you know, the hours, we're definitely been coming down. We kind of double bottomed here off that support I called out yesterday. Okay, so we kind of double bottom on that support, came back, retested it. This would be a good, reasonable launching pad to take this thing higher. So do we? I don't know. You know, we're still in a bullish trend up. You know, I think we would have to break, I think somewhere down here. I mean, breaking 21,000 was pretty big when we broke it here. So we did break it. But my guess is if we get down into here and break it, then it's probably going to get real exciting. a little bit of support over here too. So the launching pad is set up. Just the question is, do they take it up? So I put in yesterday at 50% of the session. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I put it on that on this little indicator. It kind of lines up with the pivot, right, which is what it should do. I don't know. Don't know if I'll keep it or not. All right, guess we'll wait to open now. Oh, almost there. Pre-market is going. Glad I saw that. We'll see how it plays. I think I got everything on micros, MNQ. I've had a pretty good week. Want to kind of end it on a nice note. So here we go. Oh, hold on, I gotta go get my coffee real quick. Nope, have to get it later. Left it in the room. All right, there we go. First trade taken. Took me out. Huh. Oh, there's the long. And see if it takes me out. Yep. All right, that's done. Quick and easy. Pre-market, you're done. All right. Now I get to play. Now we get to watch. Now it's good long. Should have went and taken it again. Let's see, 97. We're above 307, so damn it, I could have taken it right there too. All right. Got into the bear zone. And that's one way of doing it, getting close to the bear zone and then ripping right through it so it's not even an obstacle. With the morning open. That's the way they do it to get above it. Damn it. Missed that one, but that's okay. All right. Good morning, Bahamas. All right. Just going to let it settle out here in a few minutes. I'm in no rush. You know, this might be a good time for me to go get my coffee. So I will be right back. I'm going to take it nice and slow today. I'm in no hurry. I will not be happy if this is like a 50-point or 100-point breakout, which is getting pretty close. There's 56 already. But nothing I can do, can't get in. So I'm looking for a little pullback on the 1 minute. Just a little stutter step. Maybe even a move back down here would be fantastic at 322. And I'll be right back. All right, now I could probably think a little better. All right, so we broke out from the open 70 points, straight up almost. Oh, that's good. Here we come to move back down, kind of where I wanted it, but not quite. I might take a long right there, take a stab at it. If we can get down to 323 round. 320 would be better. Don't really want it there, but I wasn't brave enough to sit down there at 322. I'm not sure why. Come on, baby. I still like the long. Let's see if that's a better spot to get in. ATR is about 15, 14.92. Nope. Taking a couple of hits. It's okay. Yep, had the right spot. If I would have taken it at 22, it went down to 14, I'd still be in this trade. Let's see, any got anything good here? Not really. Okay, just for probably should have taken multiples, huh? I'll lock in that 20 there. 19, 18, whatever it was. Yep. Buy the pullbacks. That was probably our little stutter step. So I could take this right here. Ooh, that's in my trade plan. All right, nice little push up. Not bad. See if we can get some of that money back. Left leaving a few minutes, one little 1 minute little gaps all along the way. Wowzer. All right, we're up 124 points from the open. Nice little move up. See if we can close some of this gap. It would be great to come on down to about 65. I would take it at 65. 65, where are you at? Something like that, for sure. For sure. So we're up about almost 130 points, I think, from open. Pretty close. So 162, 165, 168. I'll move to minis as soon as things calm down a little bit. Look at the 15, just a big old candle up. We got about 3 minutes for that 15 minute to close out and to give us our 15-minute high, or the ORB as they call it. The orb. All right, I need to move that back here. Now I just got to wait for a move back down. Let's see what the 2 minutes looking like. All right, that's what I like. There we go. Come on, keep coming down. Would love to see 3 red candles. Bow, bow. The 1 minute. actually like that better. Don't like that candle. And if this goes higher, that just means we're just strong. It's strong up move. You make a new high. It's okay if it comes up short. As long as you close down below that trend line. Come on, baby, talk to me. Oh, she's going to be strong. Yep, that was it. That was all she gave us. Wow. Okay, next point of interest up is 21,461. I'm still hanging out down here for that guy. Let's see, 15 minute. What do we got over here? All right, so we got a high up here. Session high yesterday was right around 444. Which looks like we're going to cruise into. Okay, so there's our 15-minute high. I'd like to see a break above and then a retest. How you guys doing today? Everybody doing good? Everybody's in a trade and they're concentrating. Nobody can hear me? Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think my latency is about 3 to 4 seconds, so I'm not too far behind you guys. I don't know if somebody has like a counter. This actually won't matter. Actually, that's not even updating. I might have to rewrite this so that, because this thing always doesn't seem to work very well. It's not mine. All right, there we go. Took that 2-minute opening range break and just didn't stay in the trade. Oh. Yeah, when we came back up through it on the 2-minute range, right? Because here was the top of it. Right? When we busted it back up, because we came, I got shook out, took me out because my 10-point stops. Okay, I got to be careful here. That's a little vicious. That was a little vicious candle. All right, that was a quick little 10-pointer. Gotta like that. Boy, but that was vicious there. Oh, I'm glad I took my 10 points and got out. Jason, 1 hour suck back. Come on, baby. Yep, here we go. It's in play. Good call out. So, where are we going? I don't know. Maybe down to this guy? 5 minute. I got a, oops, playing around with the London high there. Messed it up. That's probably close enough. Yeah. All right, there is a 5 minute way down here. We'll see. But right now we came down and hit that guy and bounced up. I'm damn near tempted to take a long right here, but let's see what my things say. Yeah, it's probably not too bad of a place, but I'm going to hold off here. This thing settled out a little bit. If we come back above, oof. Yeah, I don't have much to come back above. 5 minute, well, 63. Maybe if we come back above 72, that could be maybe 73. Yeah, I'll go with 74. Yeah. So, because what do? We came down and hit this 1 minute fair value gap here and bounced pretty decently, right? So she's got some little mojo behind her at 345. All right, I just got hit there. I'm going to go ahead and cruise on up to the top of this sell gap, fair value gap. I don't know if we get up there that high. Probably should just take my 10, which would be at 84, which would have got it. Damn it. And I would have been probably pretty happy with that. Let's see if I can lock in 84 if it gets up maybe to 90. There we go. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I locked that in. There we go. One more time. Try it again. Okay. If we come back above, up through that, I'll take her long again. If I can get to 74 again, I'll put my thing there. Where are we at? All right, this could be a short right here. Well, let's see what happens here. All right, maybe the 5 minute wants to come down to here, maybe down to the 1 minute weighted. I'll probably hang out right there. But, man, I got some pretty powerful candles there. I don't know if I want to step in front of that, actually. I'll give it a shot. All right, there we go. We're hitting that 5 minute. That was probably the place to go ahead and try one right there. Because that 14 would have gave you your 10 points right there. Bam. All right, let's get rid of some of these things and get them out of my way. Okay, we could come back up to 62. Close out that 1 minute gap. And then I'm not sure what's going to happen. We closed out the 5. Came down and hit this 5 minute. Let's look what the 5 minutes telling us. 5 minutes said, hey, I just came down and hit my gap, and you should have been ready, Freddie. All right, so let's go to a 2 minute, and it was pretty steep. I can't really play that one, but I can do this. That's about the best I'll do. back up to session 50% mark at 356. Okay, coming back up through the 5 minute. So I will take this long if we exceed 66, 67. Let's see what the, oh, that's the, I'm sorry, that's not the 5 minute. That's the 2 minute. I don't want to do that. Disregard that. I'll wait for this 5 minute to close. See what the 15 is going to do. 5 minutes left. You could still just climb right back up and turn green. So I'll play the 5 minute. Okay, about 10 seconds. 15, 10. Let's see what she does. If we move back up through the 5 minute, I'll probably take that. I don't necessarily want that test of VWAP and the 1 minute opening range right here. So let's see what this 5 minute does. Unfortunately, the 5 minute short is way down here, right at that 1 minute. Okay, again, I'm playing micros. Still haven't played the big boys yet. Come on, let's make a move up. Let's get above that. So 387. Well, looks like I'm going to get taken. Yep. All right. Would I take that again? Yeah, I think I would. See if you get up a little bit higher this time. Yep. See if I can get up to, I think 86 would be a better point. All right. Went a little green. I'm about ready to start playing the big ones. Maybe I can graduate. All right, so move back above bear zone, 91 or 87 if you want to try it a little bit early. Would probably a pretty good indicator that we're going to go up higher. All right, but I'm going to wait. All right, so I got a little greenage, just ever so slightly. Got news at 10. Thank you, Daniel. I love it. Because I often forget about the news at 10. Why is that? Well, because the news just kind of enhances the charts. Oh, big news. Oh, all right. Thank you for that. Yes, beautiful. I'll just stay out. That's what I love. Team working together. Reminding everybody. That's beautiful. No, really, that's appreciative. I'm really appreciative of that. So I'm going to sit on my hands. Because news will enhance the chart. So if we're already in the upward mode, we may just continue up unless it's a shocker. So news in 1 minute. Or would I take a high out? I'll just wait for it to settle down. We took out the London highs. See if we come down and take out the London lows. That's a possibility. Other than that, I'll just sit on my hands. I don't think it's come out yet. I think we'll know. I'm on the 5 minute. Here's a 2 minute if you want to get excited. We're crossing that little trend line there. There we go. There's the news. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Looks like it was just Was the news kind of flat? That's what I'd like. I'd like to get this is something I could think of too. I'd like to get like a news stream at the bottom there instead of my little thing. Well, Apex dropped their 90%. They're down at 50. $35 resets. And I think it's standard 1 day to pass still. So just FYI. Just gonna wait for this to settle. So from open, this is the low of the open cash session, and we came down to the 78.6 and smashed it, and then we went up, and guess what? We came from here to the bottom, and we hit that 78.6. So now you go from the bottom to the top, and let's see what happens to this 78.6. So that's 330. There's 17 points there. Let's see if I can catch some of it. Damn, I worked hard too. Now I just went willy-nilly. Oh. I don't know why I did that. I'd have been better off with something like that. Or a short below 338. So 338 below here, not interested in that one. And probably shouldn't be looking for any shorts anyway because, right, what's our trend? The trend is up. So you're probably going to have a better chance at losing on a short versus winning on a short. All right, we came down to 61.8. That might have been good enough too. I should have thought about that. All right, back down to negative, so I'll have to fight my way back again. All right, 5 minute chart. It's not really helping me yet. I got to wait for that candle to close. 15 minute chart. Now, this one's brand new. So right now we're just playing some games, as I say. We could turn red or green on this candle. So, and we've got 10 more minutes. So I think we'll have to take our leave from here. So if we get a nice little doji here, I'd be good with that. But if she screams up and turns into a nice green one, then we're probably going to continue on up. I don't know why. That was a stupid play. Then I took that last play. That was just silly. Sometimes you get caught up in the adrenaline. All right, ES is up 35. YM is up 101. This is what NVIDIA is doing. NVIDIA is up. Just blasted up. Okay, 39 seconds. So it looks like we're going to get a green candle there. This guy's turning green. 1 hour pushing up. It said, okay, I went down far enough. Oh, that would have been a good long right there. Just like I said, right above frickin'. Darn it. Should have taken that. 93 would have been a good entry. Or 410 there. That's all right. There's always entries. Okay, I wouldn't mind coming back down there. See, when I see this, because I'm generally a bearish type of guy, is I see an M pattern, which would take us back down to 240 area. So we took out the high here, right? Took out some liquidity, bam. Let's see what this candle does now. 1 second. If we make a new high, then it's probably out. It's probably disregard. Let's see, 63, 20 points. Okay, filled that 1 minute gap there, retested. We'll try a little long there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I should have took my 10. Got a little greedy. Okay, 5 minute closed its gap. I'll take half, I'll cut the stop in half roughly. See if we can stay above 400 would be preferably. There we go. Come on. let's go. All right, we just filled that gap, so I got to probably get, get out. Damn it. We just filled the 1 minute gap. We're kind of rejecting, so. Took a little bit off. All right. So now I'm wondering if we're going to drop back down into this bear zone, but it doesn't look like it. Darn it. Okay, so on the 5 minute, I still got a minute left. I'll wait. I would love this candle to turn into a doji on the 5 minute. This guy right here. That would be exciting to me. So, somewhere around 422. Okay, see what happens here. So what I'm doing is I was hoping for this guy to come up and give me a little doji, give me a good reason to go short. But now my short entry would have to be 387, which I'm not too excited about. I could take it right here at 99, which is probably not bad. 98. If we do come down there. Otherwise, on a long entry, it's going to be at the top, and I'm not too excited about that. This is what I'm looking at on the 1 minute, as I went from the body up, and I'd like something down in there if we're going to go short, but we're up 250 points, so probably shouldn't be thinking too hard about the short. But I do like that M potential still. It's a good M pattern. There's my short if I wanted it. I'll try it. If we come back down to 98, I'll take it. Really, the 5 minute short is at 387. So we should see a nice little, hopefully a move from there. 387 on the 15 minute, it's going to be 308. Okay, up 600 if you're playing minis. I'll go ahead and lock in, I don't know, 600 or something. Okay, all my little MNQs went out of favor, so I'll go ahead and close it out. All right, nice little play. How did you separate funding and evals like that? Yeah, man. I'm working, Daniel. I'm working hard, baby. This is my own little code, so I worked on that this morning. I'm still not perfect. I got a little error there, but I'll fix that. All right, so hopefully somebody got some of that. That was a nice little trade. Took the short at 400, 399, 398. and then move down. So that was nice. And then, so now my next entry, if I want to take another entry, it's going to have to be below, well, let's look. I got to take it off one of the bigger charts. So it'd be down here below 307. Unfortunately, that's 60 points away. That's what I got. Now, if we close out this guy and this low here stays intact, well, I can take it out from there. So, but we'll just got to see where he closes at. So I'll move him down right now. So 5 minute took out its previous 2 candle wicks, 3 candle wicks. Actually, it double bottomed at 37 or something. All right, so now I'm looking for a short now below 338. Okay, but just know you got the 1 minute weighted moving average right there also. So I didn't jump in yet, even though it did get down below my number. Okay, so on the 5 minute, all right, so I'm gonna move that guy up. Now I can see him across all the charts. Here's the 5 minute. It's a tough play. Since I'm still playing micros, I'm going to try it. This will be a tough play. In other words, the probabilities are not probably in my favor. There you go. That's why. Damn you. So we have a 5 minute gap fill at 387. So take 4 off that. So let's go with 383. But you got a 1 minute gap fill way up at 401. And unfortunately, I got to take this short here. Fuck. I'm just going to drop my stop. Nope, not even going to be able to drop my stop down. Okay, quick action, man. Things are happening here. Quick action. Okay, it dropped below VWAP and, man, could be on. That short probably would have been a good one just to hold on to. There's that M pattern I was talking about. Definitely a drop below 308. So if we get to 308 or 300 below VWAP, I'm going to try to take a short and just hold on. If we drop back below, in fact, I'll just take this right here. And I'm going to just try to hold on to this guy. I'll come back down here, see if we take out sessions lows. We got to get through VWAP and hold below it. Might be a tough order. Okay, get back below VWAP. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'll get taken out. Okay. There's some support here. So obviously some resistance. Okay, we closed the 1 minute. We didn't quite close the 5 minute. That would be about 31. Well, got pretty close. Here we go. Took out the, oh, that's the London highs. So we're retaking that back out. Come on, make a new low. Let's go. Take it out. There we go. There we go. I'm going to lock in 600-700 again. Maybe more. 800. $100 trades there. Up 120s on the guys, and there you go. I'd like to move up now before I can get back in. Okay, we took out the morning lows, or the cash sessions, right? When we opened up this morning, we took out those lows. We got the London lows down here at 210. What is this? Oh, that's CPR. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the London highs. I don't really care about them anymore. But I do care about the London lows. But that was it. That was our M pattern, and it's for the most part completed. I mean, it could come down to 227 still. But for the most part, it took out this cash sessions and made a nice little M pattern, eh? That's what I love to do, is call them out before they happen. Okay, we're going to move up. We had a 1 minute closeout about 311. We got a 5-minute close out about 336, which I don't think we're going to get up that high. That'd be up to the basically a little bit higher than the 1 minute weighted. Okay, so typical crossover patterns, if you're looking for them, there'll be some consolidation before those things can, you know, finally complete. Or they'll take another big drop down. These will cross, then we'll move back up towards it. It's usually what I see happens, right? All right, I'm just sitting in my hands right now, waiting. I really don't want to miss a big move up, though, either. So this is the 2-minute chart. Let's go to a 5. Might give me a better feel. Okay, so we got a big move up, big wick, back up above VWAP. What's 15 say? This is a brand new 5 minutes, so I'll give it a couple seconds. Brand new 4. No, it's not. Let me reload that. That guy, darn you. 4 minutes left, so good chance we come on down. Same thing with the 5. This could just come on down, fill that out, or we could go higher. That's always a possibility. But let's see what the 15 does. Now let's play the 5. All right, we dropped back below VWAP, and it's on again, I think. I'm going to drop down to 1 contract. I'll play 2. Playing the micro still. Got to watch for the long too. I'm conscious of that. This could have been a nice reversal candle right here. That could be your long. With 180 points still, 160, we're still technically long, right? I probably will sit on my hands, well, unless we drop below VWAP, but I'll wait for this candle to close. No reason to really do anything until that candle. Either we drop below VWAP. In fact, it'll look something like that. There is a 1 minute gap there. I don't want to get sucked into anything either. Okay. So I will put him there. I got 2 minutes, 30 seconds left for him to close out. In the meantime, the 5 minute can go a little bit higher. Getting above there, which is nothing, that's fine. Getting back above the 1 minute weighted is something. But let's just keep an eye on the 5. You know, I might even change this down to 298 and just say, screw it, I'll take it if it drops below 300 again. Because there is a 1 minute gap fill. You can see it's right there. It's a little guy. And then there's another one, another little guy right there. So I'll just sit on my hands here. Unless we get an ugly move. And get rid of that, I think. Okay, so 15-minute looks like he's gonna. Well, that's got a minute. That's a pretty powerful minute too. All right, still, that's a nice reversal candle, so I can't discount that, right? I mean, it really is. It's really what you look for. And the long right above it is, again, what you look for. So 36 seconds, 15-minute. I mean, for sure, I'm taking a long above 368. So where's that at? 369. Okay. So I'm definitely going to take a long there. Why? Because that should, man, it should give me some power lift right up through there. 5-minute, it's the same place, right? Right here. But, and even though this is a beautiful candle, and I'm probably thinking, yep, that was, why would I even doubt that candle? Well, because we had a nice little M pattern that's really not fully complete yet. I hope I don't get sucked in here. So I'm going to take one off. Oh, you fucker. You see what I'm talking about? I even put it down there a little bit farther than I normally would, too. You sucker fish. That happens. So now I got to be patient, wait. Do I take a long above 43? Yeah, I think I will. Darn you. Because now I'm going to want to jump back in below VWAP. All right, so they closed this one out. In 09, that doesn't give me a, it might give me 1020 though if I can get it. Okay, we're up 150. ES is up 33. And YM is up 150. And VIX is minus 62. Okay, I'm not real positive about that long, taking that long there with that big wick right there. But, I mean, 5 minutes can do that. They cheat. This is what I don't like about, you know, when they do the shit like that. Because it breaks the order of things. And if I don't have order, man, there's some serious chaos going in my head. Because then I doubt everything. But on the 2 minute, 2 minute saying choppy, which, okay, you can see it's choppy. Not the 2 minute, you know, this is the overall market, the overall minutes so far. Because we got down, down, up, up, up. So we need one more convert to up, or one more, two more to convert to down. I'm going to be really tight stops with this guy. 44. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do much with them. If that long gets triggered, I'm going to probably, if I get any kind of profit, I'll take it. Come on, baby. Pump it up. All right, I just took that one just to reduce my risk. Put a little money in the pocket. See if we can get a move up here. Come on. If we get above 10 points or so, I'll probably move to, I'll try to move it up. But I think we're going to come down. We closed the 1 minute gap at 339, so 340. We came to 342 there. All right, there's the 1 minute. Maybe it's close enough. Come on, bring it up. Give me 63. Come on. Nope. Nope. There we go. There we go. Come on, give me 63. I'll take profit at 63, and then I'll jump back in at 68 if we get above that. Probably thinking, well, why don't you just stay in? Well, because it's a new trade. Oh, come on. I was going to go to break even. I'm glad I didn't, but I got my, I'm hovering right there at break even. I'll drop my stop as soon as we get back, hopefully back up to 353. Oh, come on, baby. No, that might be in it. Probably should have grabbed 10 points, huh? There we go. All right, took 63. And I'll probably jump in here. Now again, same rules apply. I'll take one off. I'll just take one off. Come on. Okay, so fill the gap, 389. We got to 385. Shit. I wanted a little bit more out of that. We got a 1 minute gap fill up at 401, 402. Now maybe 400.75 it looks like. Come on. Don't do me dirty. Damn it. Let's see. Yeah, so here's that 1 minute gap fill right there. That's what we came and hit, rejected. Uh, 15 minute. If we get back above that 68 again, probably take it again. 5 minute, what was that number? Probably 55. If we get it back above that. But we're getting a little long in the tooth. It's going to have to make its move soon. 15's got plenty of time. but kind of need this 5 minute to get it up and go. So we came down, hit the 1 minute weighted at 337, 338, and kind of bounced. 12 points to 5.2. Get rid of that. I don't know what that is. Okay. What do I got here? 12 seconds left on the 5 minute. I probably don't want to be in there. I'm going to wait the last couple seconds and do something. All right, so potential reversal, potential continuation. I can't go short unless we get under 31, but I could go long above 63, I think. 68. And then potential short. You know, if I was aggressive, I'd take it if we get back under the 1 minute weighted. All right, this is the best place to see that. But if not, it'll be below here at 31. So 31 is right there. We're in the green right now, so it's saying kind of long, but you know, this stuff hasn't been, we've been in chop mode, right? So I was talking about choppy so much today. Chop, chop, chop. All right, so if we get back above there, again, I'll go into somewhat protect mode. Oh, I'm not going to have time. See if we bust up. That was a 15-minute long. See if we can, come on, baby. I need some strength out of that 15-minute. Still got 3 minutes left. I'd like to get him to cruise back up to the top. Back up through the 5 minute high, which I could hide behind it, but I can't. It's not really strong enough. Okay, come on, baby, move up there. Got to bust up above 83 and then 84. But we got a big gap fill. Oh, damn you. Guess it wasn't that big of a gap fill. How much time left? Minute 34. Come on, baby, go. Can't believe that, huh? Huh. Okay, so let's put that into context. Right? So I had a pretty good week so far. I don't want to go out on a Friday being red, right? Well, not only red, but big red, right? I don't want to be down like $500 per account. So just to go into a little protect mode, because today's choppy, right? I knew what today was going to be like. And no sense in me blowing any accounts or doing anything stupid. Why not wait for Monday, right? So I'm better off probably even not trading today would be the right call. And then wait till Monday when all the big players are back, right? But Monday I'm kind of anticipating a little chop fest also, just because big boys are going to be taking positions. So my thinking was this morning was just to play micros, and then, but I put my target take profit pro, and he's up 479. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't do anything stupid. Does that make sense? Yeah, I mean, they're up 150, 450, and 150, right? 160. 766 total. Yeah, I'm just trying not to, it was you the one who challenged me, Bahamas. Yeah, exactly. But you're the one who challenged me to say, hey, how do I keep it? Let's keep a PAs for 30 days. Right? So you're the one who got me on 70 to stop trading it, right? That one day, which I was going on tilt, and which I'm thankful for that. And yeah, so I wanted to play a little conservative today. And, hey, there's going to be people out there that are going to, you're going to have good days. Yep. But maybe today's my bad day. Right? So I've been starting out in the morning with micros. Yep. I started out in micros in the first 5-10 minutes because I'm playing a strategy, right? The high and low pre 2 minute. And I'm good with that. That knocked me down minus $50. So I was like, okay. I didn't like the price action this morning. We were kind of in a chop mode, right? And like you said, I should have took my own advice, because I talked about how this was, this was breakout. We could break out here, and exactly what we did, right? We broke out but I missed the trade. I couldn't get in. So I wasn't gonna just jump in and do silly things. So I wanted to try to play a little smart. I saw the M pattern, right? I saw this M pattern developing. We played that. I did. I have an account that another PA account that I'm not showing, that I did play on both of these, 2 $600 plays, and I was happy with that. So I called this out. I made 120 on it, and then I've kind of went up and down in here, just got a little choppy. So I'm good. I'm actually pretty good and pretty happy where I'm at. And I was just thinking, you know, I'm okay with being up right there. I don't need to trade anymore. I'm okay. It's a good day. It's an okay day. It's not a good day, but it's an okay day. Right? But it's Friday. I've had a good week, so bam, why not keep that money? Damn, I forgot my phone still. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's where my mind's at, right? I know it's tough, dude. I mean, you know, it's tough. It's tough to beat the market. It's not easy. Not everybody can do it. And it's not the matter of not everybody can do it, but 90% of the traders out there can't do it, right? And if I'm green, if I get, I don't know if I was green all 5 days or 4 days that we could trade, but pretty close, I think. So I want to end the day green too. And with this kind of choppy little, you know, actually I can't say it's choppy because that was a hell of a move, but that hell of a move didn't last. So anyway, we got a potential reversal candle here on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 looks like real quick. 10 minutes left. I don't know how much stock I'd put into it, but it's there. Always got to acknowledge it. There we go. There we go. So, yeah. All right. So where are we at? We're at the 50% of the session. We're coming down. We got a nice reversal on the 5 minute. And we just bounced at the 1 minute weighted. Well, got close to it. Not actually. What's that? 348 versus 354. I don't know why this one's off so much. If I put that to 24. No, that's worse. 26. Yeah. The cliff, what is this, 5 minute? I do like a short below the 1 minute weighted. Yeah. We're up 200 points, so I don't know. I know it doesn't mean much. Yesterday we were up 200 something, but you see, we took most of the nosedive yesterday morning. So maybe we do it in the afternoon today. I don't know. There's the 5 minute again. Gave you another opportunity to get in up there at 76. There's just nothing I like. I don't see. Everything's moving up. VWAP's moving up. 1 minute weighted is moving up. Yesterday afternoon, 300 point drop was a surprise. I agree. 100%. Would I take a short below the 1 minute weighted? Yeah, more than likely. I will jump in. Right below the session low there, or the session 50% at 351, which we just tagged. Oh, there you go. I'll try it right there. Let's see what happens. I don't like it. A little bouncy. Gonna probably come up and grab me. Yep. Damn it, took me out. Let's try it again. Better short would have been up here. 64. All right, 14 seconds. Oh, come on. $343. We should get some giddy up if we get down there. Okay, 5-minute gap closed. I don't know if I really trust this. Okay, I'll just try to stay out of the way here, see if it goes up. Okay, I'm waiting for this 15 to close and see what it's going to do. A long back above 398, 400 would probably be a good one if we go that direction. Got a gap, 1 minute gap fill there at 361. $342. It's almost like everyone's waiting for the for the cliff, which tells me there probably won't be a cliff. Or they do it later in the day, like at maybe at close or something. Okay, here we go. You're going to close as a doji. Nope. Didn't quite hit that. 78.6. Could do a long above and a short below. See, 385. $342. No. Yep, 342. Oh, yep, then it's going to be right there. That was a nice little poke, a little 10-pointer. Just saw an ad for a 7-minute workout. I was thinking about introducing an 8-minute workout. Oh. What are you doing? Retesting the bear zone. Oh, feels like lunchtime trading already. Well, it is 11 o'clock. Come on, let's do something. Let's see. Come on, let's go. Let's see, a 5-minute. What are we doing? All right, coming back to test that trend line. Could be a potential